Travis County's hospital district, which taxpayers voted on and helped pay for, is getting new leadership. Central Health helps more than 150,000 low-income folks with health care.
And that's roughly 1 in 9 people who live in Travis County. KXAN's Grace Reeder met with the new CEO and president of the district to talk about his vision for the future.
After a 6-month nationwide search, Central Health has a new leader, Dr. Patrick Lee, who most recently was the first system chairman of medicine for One Brooklyn Health, which serves over 1 million New York residents in need. His resume before that is extensive.
And I'm a physician executive with that broad U.S. international experience and a lifelong commitment to health equity, who believes and understands that our core business, especially when we're talking about equity, is trust.
He takes over at a pivotal time. The organization is in the early stages of enacting a healthcare equity plan, a roughly decade-long project aimed at filling gaps in the system that exists now. Attached to that, roughly 150 projects and $700 million.
To have the opportunity to try to lead and turn that plan into reality. What an amazing opportunity.
Earlier this year, Mayor Kirk Watson sat down with KXAN and talked about making Austin's healthcare web better. He sought to fix gaps in communication and services. That meant getting the leaders of organizations like DelMed, Integral Care, and Central Health all to the table. We asked the new CEO if he was willing to take part in that process.
I will do my utmost to be a full and active and trustworthy partner in that process.
The Central Health Board is also getting a shakeup. Ann Kitchen, a former Austin City Council member, will transition to the chair of the Board of Managers. She said working with city, county, and other partners is a priority for her too.
To really sit down and work together and collaborate, particularly on issues related to folks that are living on the streets who are unsheltered.
Grace Reeder, KXAN News.
And earlier this year, Travis County approved a more than $740 million budget for Central Health's 2024 fiscal year. So with it comes a more than $50 a year tax hike for you at home. Former CEO and President Mike Giesland stepped down from the role earlier this year, and he had served in that position since 2017.